a nice color. I will need this.
Stop! You can't do that
Why?
because this plant is our life.
It's true.
Team humans. Team nature.
Which is more important?
Why do I think humans are more important? Well, I think it's obvious. I mean, we are the owners of everything. We can manage to feed animals. Without us, animals will be dead. I mean, we are the ones who can own the world, who can make the money. I mean, we make music, we make movies. We are the ones who can make great things. I think nature is just a space where we can live, but of course, we're amazing. I don't think something's better than us.
I think nature is more important because thanks nature we can breathe free airs, have oxygen and natural food.
Nature, we can build urban cities and do the essential things for living. Without nature, we would be nothing.
Nature is a gift, and being human is a gift too. For that, but some actions can damage our nature. For example, in animals, kitchen are fed with chemicals and hormones, and that hormones lead to problems in child development.
Corruption,
Littering, pollution,
Electric plants.
Intensive farming.
meaning.
Those are the factors that can destroy the environment.
In conclusion, the nature is more important than us. If we don't do it, we will have terrible consequences. For example, the land and water destruction, the forest fires, the habitat can be destroyed, and other factors that can cause our death. For those reasons, we have to take care if we want to have a great life in a better world.